Samsung will introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5, new foldable phones, in a few months. The two gadgets have had quite a few features leaked online in recent months, and as their formal introduction approaches, we may anticipate more information to become available until there is little mystery left. The most recent information is more of a discovery than a leak. The two future Samsung foldable phones' charging speeds have been revealed through a regulatory filing discovered by MyFixGuide users. We're learning about the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5's charging speeds to start the week, and nobody will be surprised by them. Both phones have been certified by the CCC, China Compulsory Certificate, and are listed as supporting 25W charging with Samsung's standard 25W charger, which has the model number EPTA 800. There are no blazing charging speeds here. When compared to the charging speeds provided by Chinese manufacturers, 25W charging may seem dated, but Samsung is not particularly good at playing the numbers game, and the Korean giant still manages to draw customers, so it is unlikely that this will change anytime soon. Additionally, it doesn't appear that the battery capacity of the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 will increase based on what is currently known. It's even possible that the Z Flip 5 has a little smaller battery, but that has yet to be verified. Overall, if Samsung keeps their battery sizes the same, you could expect the Fold 5 to last for about 85 minutes and the Flip 5 for about 75 minutes before needing a recharge. For Galaxy, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which will power the two phones, proven to be a game-changer on the Galaxy S23 series, so battery life shouldn't be a problem in any scenario. Samsung has determined that 25W charging support won't be quick in the near future. The company's most costly phone for 2023, however, could only handle 25W charging, which is out of date at this point. While this is happening, there are some technical realities that make us wish for faster charging speeds on the upcoming Samsung foldables. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.